It takes a lot of hands to make our builds come together.
Here at Geotrek, it's all about shared recognition.
Everybody has their little touches that they've put on your van, so it's well cared for.
Provides a personal touch that, we were a part of that, and it feels super cool.
The Geotrek Signature Plaque is very meaningful to us. What it is it's a plaque that sits underneath the galley in the kitchen of the van. It has every employee's signature where the CNC machine will carve in their name into this plaque. It has a congratulations on top. On the bottom, it will say the date of manufacture, which is typically the day of pickup, and their van number. It's just this very meaningful thing where we put our stamp of approval on the van and all of the people that contributed to create this adventure van for our customers.
There's a very special feeling here at Geotrek. The culture, everybody who works here, all of the love and the care that they put into each one of these builds. This is not just a mass-produced, van that they're going to throw out to you. Every single van is very unique and every single pickup is really special to them.